Hey guys, welcome back to CodingSlide. In this video, we will build a simple yet powerful online attendance management system using Python Tkinter library with SQL Lite database connection. If you are looking for an easy way to track a student attendance, this video is for you. Let's jump straight into it. To start, we need to install a VS Code and a few Python libraries and SQLite from the VS Code for this project. Don't worry, the setup is quick and simple. Let's get them installed. First, go to browser, then search VS Code download in search bar, then click on first website link. According to your operating system, download it. After download, just open and click next and set up it. Then search Python download on search bar and click on the first link and download the latest version of Python for Windows, Linux, Unix and Mac OS, other OS that you will use. So next step is Tkinter. This is already part of Python's standard library, so don't need to download it separately. The package pytz. This is used to manage time zones, especially if you want your attendance record to have accurate timestamps. I will provide you commands, so you can pick this command from the description. Run this command pip install pytz. Tkcalendar is another package. We will use this for the date selection feature in the attendance form. Run this command pip install tkcalendar. Here is how you can ensure the correct Python version. Check Python version. For check the Python version, first we need to make sure that Python is installed and is that correct version. To check version of Python, open your terminal or command prompt. Type on command prompt python dash version. This will display the correct Python version. Make sure it's Python 3.x. If you don't have installed, download it from the official website at python.org. Install required packages. We will install the required packages from the Python using pip. Here is the command you need to run in the terminal. Tkinter. This is a part of the Python standard library, so you don't need to install it separately. Pytz. It is for managing time zones. The command was pip install pytz. Tkcalendar. For using a calendar widgets, the command is pip install tkcalendar. After running these commands, all the necessary packages should be installed and ready for use. So next step is you see the code from the video and copy paste into your VS Code. After that, after running these commands, all the necessary packages should be installed and ready for use. This will ensure that right version of Python is set up and packages are installed correctly for your project. SQLite. For SQLite installation, you will be using SQLite as our database to store login and attendance detail. It is built into Python, but to manage the database efficiently, you should download the SQLite extension in VS Code. And now let's download the SQLite extension in VS Code. Once you open the VS Code, head to Extensions tab on the sidebar. Search for SQLite and install the extensions called the SQLite. As seen in this video, this will make it much easier to manage and browse our database directly from the VS Code. Now we are ready to jump into the code. You first copy the whole code, then I will explain each part of code. First, we have a simple login form that verifies the teacher credentials. The username and password are checked from the SQLite database. If the credentials are valid, you are logging in. Redirect to the attendance form. If the password and username are incorrect, you can't log in. If you don't create the username and password, so click on the register form. We also have a register form that allows teachers to create new account. This form takes basic user details like username, password, first name and last name, and stores them securely in the database, and also stores the password and username correctly. Then again go to the login form and enter your username and password and get login. Attendance form. Once login, we get to main attendance form. Here you can enter the student name, roll number and attendance status, either present or absent. The form also uses calendar widget to select the date. After submitting the form, the data is stored in the SQLite database. So you can see the data from the SQLite and also see from the attendance data. That is it for this project. We build a fully functional attendance management system with Python using Tkinter for the GUI and SQLite for the database. You can customize this system to fit the specific needs of your school or college. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit a like button and subscribe for more useful coding projects. And you can also do the location tracking by phone number using a Python. This video is available on my channel. Watch it. See you in next video.